Older guys will make younger women chase them with these tips. Are you frustrated with being overlooked by younger women? Does it seem impossible to spark their interest? Don't worry, you've stumbled upon the right place today. We are exploring the tips that will leave them chasing after you. And believe me, this is an insight you need. Now remember, it's not about mirroring the youth, it's about capitalizing on your experience. Hang in there with me, and you'll soon be the mature man that younger women find irresistible. Don't reveal too much, too. Don't reveal too much too soon. Soon ever wondered why a bit of mystery can make you more intriguing? While studies show that not revealing too much too soon can increase your attractiveness. It fosters curiosity, anticipation, and can lead to deeper connections. So gents, let's unravel your story bit by bit. After all, who doesn't enjoy a good suspense? Turn on the charm. Turn on the charm. Have you ever noticed how charm can be the key to win over younger women? Psychologists say that charm is like a magnetic force that draws people in. A well-timed joke, a thoughtful gesture, or just a warm smile. Each can turn an ordinary moment into something special. So guys, unleash your charm and watch the magic happen. Give her compliments. Give her compliments. What makes a compliment so impactful? Experts agree that well-timed genuine compliments can make anyone's day brighter, especially a younger woman's. Not only does it show that you notice and appreciate her, but it can also boost her self-esteem. So don't hold back. Let her know how much you admire her smile, her intellect, or her sense of style. Tell her what she means to you. Now, do you realize the power of telling her what she means to you? Psychologists say that expressing your feelings about her is essential. It shows your emotional depth and honesty, traits that are attractive to younger women. So tell her how much she brightens your day, or how her life is your favorite sound. It's your feelings that make her feel special. Communicate with physical touch. Ever wondered how physical touch can enhance your connection? Studies show that appropriate warm touches, like a gentle squeeze of the hand or a reassuring arm around her shoulder, can deepen bonds. These nonverbal communication signals safety, comfort, and affection. So gentlemen, remember, your touch speaks volumes. Ensure it tells the right story. Don't be too serious. Ever notice how being too serious can be a mood dampener? It's important to remember that fun and laughter are crucial for a lively connection. Psychologists suggest that humor and playfulness can be attractive traits, especially for younger women. So gentlemen, lighten up a bit. Crack a joke and let your playful side shine. Share similar interests with her. How much of a role do shared interests play in attraction? Experts agree that bonding over common hobbies or passions can build a stronger connection. It offers a sense of familiarity, makes conversations much more interesting, and sparks a deeper understanding. So guys, find out what she loves to do. And if that aligns with your interests, voila! You found your common ground. Surprise her with her favorite things. Favorite things ever pondered? The effect of surprises on your relationship. Studies show that surprising her with her favorite things can create an emotional peak, adding to the memory. This doesn't mean you need to spend big. A simple cup of her favorite coffee or a book by an author she loves can do the trick. So are you ready to make her day unexpectedly delightful? Take her out. Take her out somewhere nice. Do you understand the importance of quality time in a special setting? Psychologists say that sharing unique experiences in nice places can strengthen bonds. Whether it's a starlit dinner at a sophisticated restaurant or a sun-kissed picnic in the park, your effort to make her feel special can go a long way. So where's your next romantic getaway? Smell good. Did you know that? Smell good scent plays a significant role in her attraction. Experts suggest that smelling good can heighten your appeal. A pleasant sense can create a lasting impression, leaving her longing for more. So gents, pick a fragrance that complements your style and personality. Remember, it's not just about smelling good, it's about making your presence memorable. Act as a protector. What makes you feel protective? And why psychologists say that the instinct to safeguard is universally appealing and attractive. It gives a sense of security and comfort that many younger women seek in older men. So gentlemen, showcase your protective instinct and let her know that she's safe with you. Be confident in. Be confident in who you are now. Have you ever pondered how much your confidence influences others? Perceptions of you. Experts agree that a man who is confident in who he is radiates a magnetic appeal. It's about accepting and loving yourself, your triumphs and your flaws. So how are you embracing your true identity today? 10. Balance your life. Other areas of your life, have you considered how balanced your life is right now? Studies show that women are drawn to men who lead a well-rounded life, covering health, relationships, career, and personal growth. It exudes the message that you are self-sufficient and not dependent on her for your happiness. So which areas of your life need a little bit more attention? Work on yourself. How often do you focus on personal development? Psychologists say that an older guy committed to self-improvement is highly attractive. This can be anything from learning a new skill, improving health, or understanding emotions better. So guys, what's the next step in your self-improvement journey? Be honest. Did you know honesty is often rated as one of the top attractive traits? Experts emphasize the importance of honesty in any relationship. Younger women value older men who are straightforward and don't beat around the bush. So how can you practice more honesty in your interactions today? Hold true to your word. True to your word. Have you considered the importance of trust in a relationship? Being a man of your word is not just about being trustworthy, it's also about building a foundation of reliability. Psychologists say that trustworthiness is a core pillar in relationships. In keeping your word is one way to demonstrate that. So how do your actions line up with your words? Call her cute, pet name. What are some? Call her cute pet name, endearing nicknames that you've used or heard. Cute pet names can often foster a sense of intimacy and bond. Experts suggest that this kind of playful communication brings a unique personal touch to relationships. So gentlemen, are there any pet names you could use to add some sweetness to your conversations? Carry yourself well. Have you thought carry yourself well about how your posture and body language communicates to the world? Studies indicate that the way that you carry yourself can strongly impact how you are perceived, from standing tall to making eye contact. These nonverbal cues can say a lot about your confidence and appeal. So how are you presenting yourself to the world today? Be ready for commitment. What does commitment mean to you? Psychologists say that older men who are ready for a committed relationship hold a distinct appeal for many younger women. It's about offering stability, reliability, and a shared vision of the future. So are you ready to embrace a committed relationship? Show off your best feet teachers. Have you ever wondered what your most attractive features are? Studies show that highlighting your best attributes, whether it's your keen intellect, sense of humor, or physical features, can draw attention and attraction. Everyone has a unique charm, so what's yours? And how do you plan to show it off? Play hard to get. Ever wondered if playing hard to get actually works well? Studies show a little mystery can indeed make you more desirable. It's all about finding the right balance, not being too aloof but not too eager either. So how are you playing your cards in the game of love? Show off your strong suits. What are your strong suits? Maybe you are a guitar wizard, a culinary genius, or a fitness enthusiast. Whatever it is, showing off your strengths can be highly attractive. Experts agree, it's not just about impressing her, it's about showcasing your passion and skill. So, what strengths can you bring into the spotlight? Have intelligent conversations. When was the last time you had a really good intellect? Actual conversation. They can be stimulating, right? Studies suggest that intellectual conversations are a fantastic way to pique someone's interest. It's about sharing ideas, learning from each other, and building a mental connection. So what fascinating topics can you bring up in your next chat? Express interest in her hobbies. Have you expressed interest in her hobbies? Ever tried to engage in your potential partner's hobbies? Psychologists say that expressing interest in her hobbies can significantly strengthen your bond. It shows that you are attentive, caring, and willing to step into her world. So what are her hobbies, and how can you get involved? Make eye contact with her. How make eye contact with her often? Do you make eye contact when you're talking to someone? According to experts, maintaining good eye contact can create a deeper connection and show your genuine interest. It's a nonverbal way of saying, I'm here and I'm listening and you matter to me. So are you ready to make those meaningful eye connections? Tell her things about yourself, tell her things about yourself. Ever wonder how much sharing is the right amount? Experts say revealing things about yourself can create an emotional bond, showing that you are open and trustworthy. But remember, there's a balance to find. What are the fascinating facts about you that you are ready to share with her? Have fun. How often do you have fun, let loose, and have some fun? It's essential, right? Psychologists suggest that incorporating fun into relationships can keep them fresh and exciting. This doesn't always mean grand adventures. It could be as simple as cracking jokes or playing games. So what's your idea of fun? We've just scratched the surface. Gentlemen, up next, we have two insightful videos waiting for you. Will you delve into the art of flirtation with younger women, or would you rather decipher the signs of their sexual attraction towards you? Take your pick, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated.